Welcome to UNP Learning Platform. In this session of Microsoft Excel, we are going to understand how to use index and match functions in Microsoft Excel. First of all, let us know what is index function in Excel. Basically, the index function returns a value or the reference to a value from within a table or a range. Let us understand it clearly with an example. It goes like this. First type is equal to index, open the bracket. We'll use customer table for executing this example. So it is asking array. So we need to select this entire table, comma, row num. So I wanted to find out where the customer name S is there. So the row num will be 1, 2 according to this table. The first row is the column names, second row is where S is located. So row number is 2, comma. Column number is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the column number. Close the bracket, hit enter. So we have got the value as S. I will repeat it again. Array means we need to select the entire table wherein we are searching for the value. Second one, 2 is the row number within this selected range. 4 is the column number within the selected range. And if we hit enter, our answer is correct. Now, let us see what is match function. Match function searches for a specified item in a range of cells and then returns the relative position of that item in the range. We will look at an example to understand it more clearly. We will use same data and we will try to match a particular value. For example, type is equal to match lookup value. So I want to look for the value 23, that is customer age 23. I will type 23. Lookup array. I need to select this range, that is array, where I have my age, comma, exact match. We have to select the type, that is less than, greater than, or 0. Exact match. So we want our answer to be exactly correct. So we will give value 0, that is exact match. Close the bracket, hit enter. So it is in the first position. Basically, match will match our required value and return its position. So in customer age, we have 23 at the first position. So it returned the value as 1, number 1 position. I hope it is clear. This is all about today's lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.